Hi everybody and welcome to another video from myself, RC Steve B, here in the man cave. And you'll have to excuse the state of the man cave at the moment. It's in a little bit of disarray because I've entered nationals mode. Yeah, it's only a couple of weeks until the nationals, which are held on the 13th and 14th of July. It's all right, I've got notes down here so that I don't forget anything, because at my age, you know, it starts to go a little bit. On the See, looks down again. 13th and 14th of July at the Newark Showground in Lincolnshire. And we are very, very, very excited. It is going to be an absolutely amazing weekend, hopefully. For those of you who don't know what the UK RC Truckers National Gathering is, it's a national event which brings together UK RC truckers from all over the UK to Lincolnshire. We take over one of the exhibition halls there, and they do an absolutely, the team that set it all up do an absolutely amazing job setting up roadways, bridges, dig areas, you name it. They are the work that them boys do is just absolutely phenomenal. Kudos to them. And they're also a nice bunch of guys as well. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to put a card up there about now, and that will give you a link to the video that I made at last year's Nationals 2023. If you don't want to do that now, because I'd sooner you sit and watch the video, I will also leave a thumbnail at the end of the video so that you can actually click on that and watch it. Please do, because it is the most extraordinary day ever. We at the UK RC Truck and Plant have got a really big contingency going. We've got the Welsh boys there coming over for the weekend. And then we've got the boys from the Midlands that are all going up as well. And for the first time, I'm doing the full weekend. I'm going to get there on the Friday. We're camping over the weekend, so I'm going to get there on the Friday to help everybody set up, because Bob and Robin from our group both have yards. Now, again, to explain for those of you who don't know, a yard is a large area, and it is literally what it says on the can. It is a yard. You can do with it what you want as long as it's scale ready, scale, you know, set down to scale sort of thing. You could turn it into a garage, you could turn it into a scrap yard, you could turn it into a fire station. These are all ones that I saw last year. You can turn, I mean, last year we had the Junction, which was Bob's Diner, and that was absolutely amazing. And then next door to that we had Rex's military base as well. But whatever you want. Now, I'm not going to tell you what we're planning, but on last Sunday, we had our final meet. Well, that was a good segue, wasn't it? We had our final meet before the Nationals, and it was a time when we actually got to planning, put down the final planning of everything as to what we were going to do. I'm really chuffed, because I am humbled by the fact that I've been invited to actually take part in Bob's yard, who is also sharing it with Rex. So please come up and say hello if you see us there. I can't tell you what's going on. We will be using Robin's yard as well, because we will be transferring between both of them. That's all I'm going to say. But the plans that we have, well, when I say we, I mean Bob and a couple of the other guys have, are, or if they only come to half fruition, they will be absolutely amazing. What's that? Oh, the new t-shirt, I hear you say. Yes. What do you think of it? It's all right, isn't it? It is. So look for this at the Nationals, and hopefully I'm in camera and you can see that. So look for that at the Nationals and come over and say hi to me. What else was it I was going to say? Yes, going back to Dumbleton. Last week, as I said, we made our final meet of the year before the Nationals, and once again we went to the beautiful and historic Dumbleton Village Hall. absolutely amazing place. I mean, Badsey was lovely, and the people at Badsey were absolutely amazing. But the room that we get at Dumbleton is, I'd say, it's about 3 times bigger than Badsey. So you know that the setups are a lot better. There we had as I say, the final plannings for the yard. But all in all, it was just a brilliant day. And I know I say it every month, we just had a whale of a time. And if you ever get the chance to come to one of our meets, the guys make you feel so, so welcome. They really are an amazing bunch of guys. And you may notice over my shoulder, this little puppy. Well, I'll tell you what, let's put a picture of it up here. This little puppy. This is my new Merc that I've just bought off Bob. For those of you who followed me during my crawler time, you will remember this one, the SCX 10-3 Jeep Rubicon. Well, because I don't go out anymore, it was just... I do apologise. It was just sitting there like a shelf queen. So I decided to actually sell it, and with the money that I got for the Jeep, I brought that one. Doing a little bit of work on it, gone over it and found that there are a couple of lights that are missing, and I've also done some work on the interior, which just had the decals on it. It didn't have anything on there at all. So I'm doing a little bit of work on that. But yes, there we go. So don't shoot off after the video, because just to tell you about future plans, and well, sit back and enjoy the fun from Dumbleton. I will see you very shortly. See you in a bit, guys. Bye bye.
It will.
Free on it, free on Facebook. You know, women are very strange at you when you turn up taking off one defensive doctor. Look a bit of a what's that? What do you think, Steve?
Go on, do it. Do it.
I think I might have to keep this, Mr. Jenkins.
It's nice.
Came from the same place as yours.
Leave that, Steve, boy.
An old Tonka Winnebago.
The box is backwards. Out the 24.
got a good little suspension now, hasn't it?
Hi there, welcome back, and yet again, what an amazing meet. Some brilliant models there, some very clever people, and a lot of those trucks that you've just seen, especially the vintage trucks, the Volvos, the ERF and things like that, are actually all 3D printed by some very clever modelers in our group. Speaking of that, if you do get to go to the UK RC Truck and Plant, make sure that you come over and have a look at our yard, because one of our guys, Tim, is actually working on the most amazing piece of scale machinery that I think I've ever seen, and I know some of the other guys at the club are thinking exactly the same thing. I mean, what Tim has done with this are absolutely amazing. So, like I say, make sure that you come over and say hello if you are there. Other things, guess what? UK RC Truck and Plant will be joining some of the Urban Monkeys crawlers when we go down to the Southern Scale Trail. It's around the Bristol area. Again, I'll put the video from the last scale trail that I went to with the crawlers on this. That's yeah, I don't know. There'll be one there for the Nationals, and there'll be one there for UK. No, for the Southern Scale Trail. So check out those 2 videos. But yes, they're having a dig pit there for scale trucks, diggers, plant hire, that sort of thing. So that should be quite an experience. And we are also doing an event back at Badsey as well in a couple of months. So, and that's not our event. We've been asked to do a setup at this other event there. So make sure that you keep an eye open for that one. And if you're in the area, again, please come down and say hello. And in the meantime, if I don't see you at the National, I will see you in a few weeks on the video. If I don't see you on that video, I will see you at the Southern Scale Trail, or we will just see you around. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And I'm going to leave you with a few of the stills that I took of some of the absolutely amazing trucks that were there on last Sunday. So until next time, guys, thank you very, very, very much for watching. If you like this video, tell me in the link down in the comments down below. If you want to join UKRC Truck and Plant, I will leave a link also down below in the description so that you can visit our website, and you can also find UKRC Truck and Plant on Facebook, along with the Urban Monkeys crawler group as well. You make sure you check them out if you're into the crawling. And I will see you, as I say, in a few weeks. But in the meantime, guys, as I say, keep your batteries dry and your controllers wet. No, I'm going to get this right one day. Oh, well, whatever. See you later, guys. Mine, there you go.